Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your faculty Sudarshan. So in this video, we are going to focus on the study plan for CA Foundation. I know we have already uploaded the video on 45 days before 45 days study plan. Some of them will be able to follow, some of them will due to some other work, some personal health issues, they may omit those. So this is a last crucial 30 days for those CA Foundation students. For them, this is a last whole syllabus. They are going to write it under December 2023. So make sure they wanted to clear those exams. So we have come up with a super duper study plan for your examination succeed, which is already been tested. This is the first part of the video which you are coming with study plan. Next, in upcoming videos, we are going to give it a video on how to approach law, how to approach accounting, how to score exemption on paper 3, how to score above 16 paper 3, and how to um, approach paper 4, different videos, different mindsets, and how to apply, how to use a certified copies, how you need to present your answers, everything we are going to come up. Okay, so in upcoming next 5 to 6 days, we are going to come up with those kind of videos. So make sure you are focusing it. Okay, so in the study plan, we have divided this 30 days into 24 plus 6. We have divided this into 24 plus 6 criteria. So in this 24 days, we will take it for first revision we take first revision as a best revision and give it our best. I always tell my students, always prepare for a worst scenario. If you prepare for a worst scenario, even though the question can be worse, you can able to attend it easily. If the question can be easy, you can easily score very high marks in your examination. Okay. So first, because many of the students will feel paper 2 and paper 3 will be difficult, we will put together that to one descriptive paper and one mathematical paper. It will also easier. So we can do it and clubbed. So first thing, that is on 1st December, on this day, we are going to upload the video. On the 1st December, you are going to focus on company law along with statistical description of data in statistic and logical reasoning. You are going to focus on DT and seating arrangement. That is direction test and seating arrangement. Always in the morning slot, focuses on law. Always in the afternoon slot. In morning, law. In afternoon, morning law, afternoon, paper 3. Okay. Okay, here. Next. Again, day 2. Again, study company law and revise it, practice it few questions, do some writing practice, and you will do measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, and in logical reasoning, you will do blood relation. So in this, you will use resources. First, complete with ICA material. Once done with ICA study material, for our students, we have a separate question bank. For others, if you have any separate question bank, you can follow those separate question bank. Okay. Okay. You can prepare it. And after that, do some writing practice. Do some writing practice. Okay. Take few questions and do some writing practice. Practice in law will save you so much of time. Okay. Next. Next one is, we'll give next time to Contract Act, Unit 1 and Unit 2, and index number we will study, and logical reasoning we will study number series. Okay. Next, we will give time to Contract Act, Unit 3 and Unit 4, correlation and regression we will follow. Correlation and regression we will follow. And while studying with Contract Act, Unit 5 and Unit 6, we will give time for theoretical distribution. When we sit up on the 6th day, we come up with Indian Partnership Act along with probability and random variable will study, and we will also take a slight short duration time, that is linear inequalities. In this, if you want to give any shortcuts to this mathematics, statistical description of data, correlation, regression, theoretical distribution, everything, we have uploaded a series of 20 videos for math quick and stat, math and stat quick and tips and tricks series. It's a short, it is simply based on math and stats, tips and tricks, which you are going to give it for very quickly manner. That's a maximum 2 to 5 minutes videos. with good conceptual clarity along with different methods of problem solving. You can also utilize these videos in the given playlist. That also in the description below, I will already tag it. Then next, Indian Partnership Act, Unit 2, we will focus along with Unit 1, that is Chapter 1, Ratios, Proportion, Indices and Logs, we will focus along with Time Value of Money, we will focus. And Indian Partnership Act, Unit 3, we will focus on Sequence and Series, okay, Sets and Functions, we will focus. And I will always give last preferences to Sales of Goods Act, because in company law, we will give 16 mark weightage, Contract Act 25 marks weightage, Indian Partnership Act 14 marks weightage, Sales of Goods Act, even though it is 4 units, will only given with 14 to 16 mark weightage. So I will give it as a last preference. So unit 1 and 2, I clubbed together along with equation, and along with unit 3 and 4 clubbed together, I have completed differential calculus, integral calculus, I clubbed. Then on the 11th day, I will complete it with LLP. If needed, I will do BCR. There is only one thing to remember, that is communication. Remaining and all precise writing, article writing, email writing, active passive, that too, everything you can see it within 1 hour or maximum 2 hours. So if I say BCR communication, it is inclusive of all those 40 marks. If you study BCR communication, that will come for 8 marks. Remaining 32 marks you are going to present. It's completely a own writing based on the grammatical you have got, you have studied, you are going to present. So it's easier that BCR, you can give it a half a day time. Then permutation and combination. If you have time, you can go with permutation and combination. If not, you cannot. If you want to go with permutation combination, you can go, or else you cannot, because maximum 2 to 3 questions will be there, or maximum 5 questions will be there. For 5 questions, you need to put so many efforts. So make sure you will easily do it. Okay. Then on the 12th day, that is 12th December, 12/12/2023. What is it? 12/12/2023. In morning section, you will write law full syllabus test. Law full syllabus test means it is paper 2, full 100 marks. Along with BCR, you are going to write a test. On the afternoon, you are going to write a paper 3 test. Paper 3 fully. Mathematics, logical reasoning, and statistics you are going to write. 13th, if you want, you will take it as a break day, because for the continuous 12 days we are studying, so we will take 1 day as a break. Okay, 1 day, entire day, don't study anything, don't do anything. Believe me, if you follow this 12 days properly, then take 13th day as your break. If you don't follow properly, then 13th day also you need to study. What I will tell, study 12 days and take a break for 1 day, take a deep breath, take a full day rest, go with your friends, chill with your parents, chill with your whatever the works you know, and then kickstart your day on day 14th. Okay, on day 14th of December, now onwards you are focusing on paper 1 and paper 2, which is slightly easy. So paper 1, first we will start with module 1, chapter 6 fully, inclusive of average due date, account current, consignment, sale or return, bills of exchange. In this, all those 5 units, 4 units, full videos we have uploaded in my YouTube channel. 1 unit, that is bills of exchange, for CMA Inter, we have taken the classes. You can also refer that. The same portions is applicable for them. You can also refer that. And on the same 14th day, we will study BCK first chapter, slightly easy, economic activity, non-economic activity, what is the base of business organization, everything. And economics chapter, nature of scope and business economics, very simple thing, what is capitalism, socialism, mixedism, everything is a very basic things which is there, we will study. First day, did you believe on the first day, 25 marks of the entire 2 papers is there? Because in paper say chapter 6, you will minimum get 15 marks to 20 marks. In BCK, you will get 5 questions. In economics chapter 1, you will easily get 10 questions. Okay, at least 8 questions, bare minimum you will get. So make sure you will do. Okay. Then 15th December, we will focusing on BRS, rectification of errors. BCK, chapter 4 and chapter 5 we will focus, and economics we will focus on chapter 5. 16th December, we will focus on depreciation, we will focusing on inventories, we will focusing on depreciation chapter number 2. On 17th December onwards, we will focus on capital and revenue, which is important for true or false. Chapter 2, basics, that is journal entry, ledger, trial balance, and cash book and petty cash book, different things you are having. That's a very basics, because I keep day 17th as a very less topics, and because if you having any difficulty in day 14, day 15, and day 16, you can use day 17 along with chapter 2, part 1 we will take. December 18th, we will start with module 2, company accounts, entire one full day will give. And if you have any pendings on economic chapter 2, you will give it on chapter 2. Okay. December 19th, we will give it for final accounts, economics chapter 3. Okay. And day 20th, NPO full day, and bare minimum 3 to 4 hours for economics chapter 3. Because economics is going to be a cakewalk for you. You can run through this chapter easily, very quickly. Exams also going to be very easy. So I give less preferences to it. Then day 21st of December, starting with partnership accounts, we are giving 3 solid days because it's the lengthiest chapter. Unit 1 and 2. Along with this, we'll give equal weightage. For more preferences, we'll give economics chapter 4. 22nd December, we'll focus on economics chapter 4. 23rd December, Unit 5 alone we will focus. Along with BCK, we have left with chapter 3 and chapter 6. We will complete this first. Okay. If you wanted any slight adjustments, you can make from this schedule. Slight adjustments is needed. Sir, I already done with Unit 1 and 2. Shall I directly go to Unit 3 and 4 in partnership accounting? Yes, it is welcome. You can do. But make sure Unit 1 and 2 you will be very strong. You may get a question for 5 marks or 6 marks or 10 marks from it. Okay. So on day 24th morning, you will write accounts full syllabus. On afternoon, you will write paper 4 full syllabus test. That is paper 1 and paper 4 full syllabus test you will write. Okay. After this, test 2 will come up. Test 2 we will come up. Test 2, 25th, 26th, in the immediate next day, we have already prepared, no? So on the immediate next 4 days, we are going to write 25th, 26th, due to time constraint on the last 30 days of preparation, those who are finding it difficult, we are preparing it and we are making us as 2 syllabus test series, 2 full syllabus test series, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. Paper 4, paper 3, paper 2, paper 1, we come up in the reversal order. The test is as per ICA pattern only you are going to write it. Okay, that too you can write it at any question paper and do it and correct it by yourself. That will be a one method. Or if you need our help, if you need our suggestions on how to present, what to present, what not to present, how to do time management, everything you need it from our suggestion, our guidance, our help. What you need to do, you can join our test series. 2 full syllabus test series we are going to conduct. So that cost is around, you will get 1,000 rupees for those 2 full syllabus test series. Complete suggestions you will get. Complete comments on each and every paper you will get. Okay, for paper 1 and 2, we will give each and every question, what is the inputs, what are takeaway, how you can present your paper. If there is any mistake, we will give it with good suggestions. Okay, that too, each and every paper will be corrected within maximum 3 days time. Maximum 3 days time, your paper will get corrected. For any of your friends who wants to join a test series alone, they have taken somewhere coaching, they are not properly feeling well, they are not properly given a tested. Okay, so at that time, you can take our test series, and this is a 2 full syllabus test series. It will start from December 12 and it will end on December 28 with full syllabus, full day-wise study plan, full strategy, everything, full guidance you will get. For this, you can contact this number as a WhatsApp only, along with your name, place, and mail ID. You need to mention it. Okay, you need to mention it. And one more thing I wanted to tell. Many of the students will finding difficulty on paper 3. So what I have made in my app in the description below, Ari Academy CACS CMA. Okay, in this app, you will find 3+1 classes. That is one full syllabus class and 3 paper wise class. That is 3A, 3B, 3C. 3A is for mathematics, 3B is for logical reasoning, 3 is for statistics. If you are finding any difficulty in paper 3, to rectify this paper 3 in those last 30 days, if you want paper 3A classes, you can purchase those alone. Okay, that too, the classes for only for 1,500. For 30 days access, you will get 2 views entirely. You will get paper statistics. Again, it is 1,500. You will get those classes. Logical reasoning is rupees 500. Okay, logical reasoning is rupees 500. So paper 1 fully, that is paper 3, you need fully for the benefit of the students. For the first time, I'm going to give it for 2,500 rupees. I'm going to give it for 2,500 rupees for last 30 days. That too with 3 views. This everything you will get it for last 30 days with 2 views. Okay. If you need anything, you can purchase it. Okay. It's up to you. Okay. It's not anything. If you find it, you can also watch the demo videos. For demos, you can watch our YouTube channel. Anyhow, you are going to find it in a YouTube channel. Okay, that's not a big deal here. Okay, you can watch demos in a YouTube and get our classes. We'll strictly follow ICA material. That too, whatever from your exam point of view, will follow and crack your exams. If you attend these classes and if you take a benefit out of these classes, time is also you will consume very less, and at the same time you will score very good marks also. We will strictly follow ICA material. In our academy, we will never promote our own concepts material, own concept book. We will strictly follow ICA material along with classes, along with assignment problem booklet only we will follow. Okay, for mathematics, that too completely we will follow ICA material. We will strictly follow ICA material. For logical reasoning also, we have a separate few materials, that one small material for logical reasoning, our own material, that only we will follow. Along with, we will follow MTPs, we will follow. Not if you follow this, believe me, 60 plus is easily possible. 60 plus is damn easily possible. For anything, you can download our app and you can get our classes. Okay. So take a benefit out of it and make sure you are clearing your exams with good marks. Thank you. Have a nice day.